For me, one of the best parts about being vegan has been becoming a part of the vegan community, meeting fellow vegans, one of which is Michael Harren. I had the pleasure of meeting Michael Harren recently when I was doing a book signing in Brooklyn. He stopped in, and actually he spent the whole day sitting right next to me, eating donuts and talking about publishing, talking about books. And one of the books he was talking about, of course, was his own animal book. Michael is a musician, he's an activist, he's a podcaster, you want to check out Mikey Pod, and he's an author of the animal book. This book is a representation of the animal show. This is the best of the animal show in print. So if you have a chance to see the animal show where Michael plays piano and performs, I definitely highly recommend that, but I also recommend the animal book. This is filled with poetry, this is filled with opinions, this is filled with Michael's journal entries, everything you'd want to know about why vegan is in the animal book. And one of the things that Michael was involved in, that I have as well, is bearing witness to what's taking place to 56 billion animals every year around the world. There's a LA Animal Save and a Toronto Animal Save where vegans and animal rights activists have an opportunity to give water to pigs, in this case, moments before they're slaughtered. And these animals hadn't had water for up to 12 hours in some cases, and they've been traveling in these awful conditions on their way to slaughter. What I wanted to do to give you a sense of the animal book is just read one page. This is taking place, I think, in Los Angeles. The first truck arrived around 12:20 a.m. The 18-wheeler pulled up slowly to where we stationed in silence. The group approached the truck. Water bottles were opened and offered to the pigs through the ventilation holes in the sides of the truck. Other people held large sprayers which were pumped to send streams of water through the holes at the top of the truck. Another group of activists lit the inside of the truck with LED lights on long telescopic poles. I stayed back and took photographs and video of the interest of documenting the vigil, but more so out of fear of what I would see inside those trucks. Over time, though, my fear was overshadowed by my desire to be of some comfort to the souls in the trucks. I grabbed 2 bottles of water, opened one and put the other in the roomy pocket of my shorts. I stood in silence with the crowd until the next truck arrived, slowly easing up in front of us. Seemingly as one unit, we approached the truck, and for the first time I heard up close the whispers of the others. I'm sorry this is happening to you. I love you. You matter. If you have a chance to see Michael in person, by all means, check him out, listen to the podcast, and pick up the animal book. Let me know what you think of this video, and comment, like, and subscribe.